Internet needs to be reachable for everyone. Capture 1.3 billion people with disability. Avoid colossal penalties. WCAG and EAA compliant website. Enhance brand identity. Accelerate sales revenue. Designed for diversity, accessibility for everyone. Visuals on. Visuals off. Let it be images or videos. Accessible colors for everyone. Craft your perfect content symphony. Cursor. Reading guide. Text speech. Emphasize links on the website for easier navigation. Content adjustments. Desaturate. Reduce color saturation for improved visibility. Easily navigate through our website using keyboard commands. Break down language barriers. Hide interface. Enhance accessibility effortlessly. Anytime. Anywhere. Just install Accessibility ADA CartCoders. Accessibility Assistant.